Are you an excavator operator? See how you can improve your work. Do you do grading and want a tool that will show you how to guide your bucket across level ground? Are you digging precise trenches with single or double slopes and need to create them at a specific angle? Need to make simple width or length measurements of a trench without leaving the cab? Imagine your smartphone or tablet becoming a professional tool to support your excavator work. All of this is possible thanks to BlueDig. Define trench-level ground. Define single or double slopes. Measure angles and depth. Work with a cross-line laser. Just a few wireless sensors on the arm of your excavator and the BlueDig app on your phone, all for an affordable price. Visit our website and see how BlueDig can transform your work.